Escape from the city and into nature was the dream for this young family. They craved a slower pace and found it in Canela, a charming town nestled in the Serra Gaúcha. Their new home, Casa embodied this change. From the street view, it seemed unassuming, a single story with a modern iron roof extending over a carport and terrace. Yet, this simplicity cloaked a clever design. The sloping land became a design opportunity. Access surprisingly occurred on the top floor, where the family's private quarters resided. Here, bedrooms bathed in light offered tranquil havens, with the master suite cleverly positioned for the best views. This unconventional layout had another purpose. Descending through the house was like walking amongst the treetops. This longer path served both form and function, flooding the social area below with natural light and allowing fresh air to flow freely. Downstairs, the heart of the home unfolded. An open floor plan seamlessly connected kitchen, dining, and living room, with a media room tucked away discreetly. This space could expand to accommodate larger gatherings, a perfect setup for hosting friends and family. But the real star was the balcony. Sheltered by the cantilevered upper floor, it offered a picture-perfect vista of the surrounding lake and lush greenery. Here, the family could finally unwind and savor the peacefulness they sought. Casa AL's materiality echoed its natural surroundings. The exposed concrete walls and irregular Miracema stone cladding provided a raw foundation. Inside, warm wood floors flowed seamlessly into the window frames, their hues echoed in the leather upholstery. Neutral tones throughout allowed the vibrant green landscape to take center stage, its beauty invading the rooms and completing the transformation from city life to a tranquil oasis.